Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brynel and welcome to Brynel's Diaries. So I'm going to be telling you guys 5 ways to grow long, natural, healthy nails faster. If you're watching this video, do watch this full video till the end. Leave a like button, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share my video guys. Do share my video with everyone. Now let's begin with our video. So firstly, I'll show you my current nails, how they look like. Okay, it's because I've been trimming them in between, so I felt like a short wide nails. But when I told this to my friends, some of them were a little like unhappy. They were like, we want long nails, why are you not growing long nails? What about your nail arts? All this kind of stuff. I decided like I haven't done nail arts also like for a very long time. So I thought like I will grow back my nails once again, and you guys suggest me what nail arts I should do, and I will do that on my next video. And now let's begin with the step number 1. This step is very important, and it is you should avoid biting your nails. I know some people have that habit where they bite their nails, and you can't break that habit. I had that habit too when I was in 2nd standard, and I broke this habit when I was in 4th standard. There was this girl who was biting her nails, and I got inspired from her, thinking that it was a good thing. So even I started biting my nails, and all my family members and my relatives were like, don't bite your nails because it's not good. But still I used to not listen, because that habit, once you develop, it's difficult to forget and leave. When I reached 4th standard, I don't know what happened to me. I happened to leave this habit. As I'm telling you guys, you should not bite your nails, because how will you expect your nails to grow longer if you first only bite them? It will take time to leave this habit. Can't say automatically it might go. So yeah, this is the first step, and you should remember this step. Now coming back to the second one, avoid too much water on your nails. And when I meant too much water means like when you're washing your dishes, wear a gloves on your hands and do your work, because that can help your nails to be protected. And if you don't do that, your nails will get softer due to the water, and it will tend to break very easily. It has happened to me many times, and now I use gloves whenever I'm doing any house chores. So you should keep that in mind as well. The third step, moisturize your fingernails, like applying Vaseline around your nails on the skin. On top, you can apply Vaseline every evening, and what it happens is like it strengthens your nails. It gets harder. It nourishes the nails as well from inside deep. I do apply Vaseline once before like going to sleep. The fourth step, give your nails a break from polishes. Some nail polishes do have chemicals in them, and if you continuously apply nail polishes on your fingers, it tends to break easily and it gets weaker as well. Now first I used to do this, like apply nail polishes all the time. Since I love doing nail arts on my nails, so I used to always experiment something new on my nails every time. And what used to happen is my nails used to get weak, and I used to feel sad about it. But now like I don't do this. Nail polishes all the time. You should give a break to your nails as well. And finally, the 5th point, stop trimming your cuticles. The other cuticles, for some of you don't know what's cuticles, so this is like a top part where the skin is over here. So some people actually trim the skin. This skin is a protective layer for your fingernails, and it protects you from infection, bacteria. And if you try to trim this cuticle part, skin area is unprotected, you might get infection, bacteria. You can push back your cuticles but not trim it. So I'll show you how you can do it. Take your Vaseline. This one is like petroleum jelly. You can take that also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take little of the little Vaseline. I'm going to take. Apply little petroleum jelly on your cuticle area. I have this cuticle pusher. Wait, let me show you. So I have this cuticle pusher over here, and what I'm going to do is like, see, don't be harsh on your nails because it's not good. You just slightly have to push this. Don't push it too hard. And petroleum jelly softens your cuticles. This is how it should look like. So these 5 basic steps are very important, and if you want to grow a long, natural, healthy nails faster, so do follow these 5 steps, keep in mind. And if you want me to make more of these videos, more of these helpful nail videos, do let me know in the comments section, and I will do make these types of videos for you guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, BryneldeMelo26. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Until then, bye bye.